Hi, yoga buddies. Today we're going to stretch our bodies and have lots of fun together. If you like yoga with us, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's move, stretch, and smile. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall with arms stretched overhead, palms facing each other, ribs down, shoulders relaxed away from the ears. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Feet slightly wider than hips. Bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible. Hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. Front knee bent. Front elbow resting lightly on thigh, top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Balance on one leg with the upper leg lifted behind you. One hand supports on the mat, the other reaches up, chest open. Alternate between left and right. Sit tall, soles of the feet together, knees relaxed outward, hands holding feet gently. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Sit comfortably. Place one head on your belly and the other on your chest. Slowly breathe in through the nose and gently breathe out through the mouth, feeling the body relax. Great job, yoga buddy! You did such an amazing job moving and stretching today. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. See you next time. Namaste.